Welcome back to Harvick Farms. Today we're taking you behind the scenes as we start to build our brand new 30x72 high tunnel where we'll be growing fresh food for our farm programs. We kicked off things by prepping and leveling the area to make sure everything sits perfectly and drains well. Next, we used the auger to dig 30 holes, each 18 inches deep. These holes are where the greenhouse hoops will be anchored. Each hoop comes in 3 pieces. We had to connect them together, set them in the ground, and then secure them with the concrete to lock the entire structure in place. Once the hoops were up, we added the purlins, which are cross beams that run along the sides and center. These stabilize the whole frame and keep everything steady in Missouri's wild winds. Next up, we'll be adding baseboards and midboards, which will eventually hold up our roll-up sides to help control airflow and temperature. The high tunnel is one step closer to producing even more locally nutrient-dense food right here at Harvick Farms. Thanks for following along and stay tuned. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow.